Welcome friends, I'm Gopa Chakravarti here. So friends, I've been for a long time with you. I've always been giving you the best of my materials. I gave you the best material and I'll continue doing so as long as I live or as long as it's possible for me. So friends, what do I tell you? My reputation precedes me, and our reputation lives longer than us. This is what I believe. So I must give you the best. Reputation lives longer than us. So friends, I've made a lot of things for you. Let me share something with you today. A few pieces. Yeah, for puja mornings. So I've got the wonderful kesh, wonder material, hand painted kesh. This is for 1650 dear, sari number 1. Look at the sari. I've opened the sari for you. Hand painted kesh, beautifully done up. Elaborate palla. See the palla section. This is sari number 1 for 1650. Okay, here's sari number 2. Good. কত সুন্দর শাড়ি দেখুন খেশ এখানে একটা টিপিক্যাল ভিভ আছে দেখুন and wash and wear crispy cottons. পুজোতে তো কিছু পরতেই হবে, হালকা শাড়ি সকালবেলা পরুন, সকালে পুজোতে যান. This is only for 1650. Only for 1650. Yeah, this is my strawberry vineyard. Strawberry করেছি আমি. আমার concept sari. This is on half tussar. Greenhouse product, totally greenhouse product. The designs, look at the neatness of the designs, please. And the sari goes like this. The sari costs 5,400 dear, 5,400 for this sari. I am showing the sari thoroughly. And this is on pure cotton number 4, 2,900, all embroidered. You're fond of this color. All embroidered. Look at the palla. Pair it with any type of blouse. Contrast. Make it contrast. Contrast blouses highlights the sari. Oh my Parsi jali. The more I make, always I'm running short. There's so much demand for these saris. Look at the handcrafted ones. Parsi jali. Let me open the sari. People were very happy when I've shown the saris like this. They wanted to see the sari like this. Friends, enjoy watching. This will come on the top. This sari costs 3,400 dear. And the special one is on half tussar. দেখুন এটা হাফ টাসারের শাড়ি, Beautiful buttas created. Look at the sari. Half tussar. Material is very comfortable. I'll drape the sari and show you. This is such a beautiful piece. Look at the fall. The fall of the sari. Look at the fall. As good as a tussar bone. This sari costs 5,400. 5,400 for this half tussar. This is how much? Oh, this is 4,600, dear. 4,600 for this sari. 4,600 for the half tussar one. Yeah, the number 7. রেশম কোটা শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি এখন। রেশম কোটায় ফুলের ঝাড় হয়েছে। এই শাড়িগুলোর নামে চেনে এখন আমার থেকে যারা নেন। এটা ফুলের ঝাড়ের শাড়ি। The palla is elaborately done. Amazing. Palla দেখুন। And the sari. The motifs are done like this. Let me drape the sari and show you. You are getting all the motifs which are all visible. When you see the sari, this is like this, and if I give you the idea, why haven't, look at this, this sari will have this type of look. And where is this gone? Oh, anyway, this sari gives you this type of look actually. Oh, I can't manage. Leave it, I'll try once again and show them. This sari costs 2,800, dear. 2,800 for the resham kota, and this is holy poinsettia. Poinsettias are people are very fond of my poinsettia. Grey te poinsettia করেছি, holy poinsettia. I wanted to let me give you the look of the sari. Look at this. Look at the sari. Look at the poinsettia created. All our concept. We develop our saris. This is for 3,400. That is for 3,400. And the number 9 one, cut work on a half tussar. Cut work on half tussar. The cut work done on half tussar. Very comfortable. 4,800 for this cut work. Same concept. 4,800 for the concept. This cut work. And my lovable, my malmals, 1,800. পুজোর সকালে কাজ করতে হয়, এত সুন্দর কাজ করুন, বসুন পুজো মণ্ডপে গিয়ে, only for 1,800. 1,800, dear. 1,800 টাকায় 10 নম্বর শাড়ি দিচ্ছি। touch feel, it's so good. cool effect. And this is the blouse piece. This sari costs how much? 1800 please. This sari costs 1800 and the tortoise one. Also very popular design. All my signature designs. All repeatedly done. 1800 টাকা দাম। Greenhouse typical designs. These are for 1800. Look at the palla and the blouse section. All on batik. Sprayed. 1800. They're all with blouse pieces. A very good quality malmal again. Let me open it. Palla section. Also for 1800. Lovely material. Malmal for 1800 again. Mals are very comfortable and especially greenhouse mals. Book your sarees dear. Very comfortable. 1800 টাকায়. All throughout. দেখাও দিকটা. All throughout. All batik work. Color bar. And there's a pinstripe blouse piece. Very smart look. And the number 14. This is on Chanderi. They were all on Malmal. This is on Chanderi. 2900 টাকা দাম. 2900 please. 2900 for this wonderful batik. 2900. This is all throughout. Absolutely, yes. This is what it is. No fast fingers, please. Give a thought. Keep on seeing the sari again and again, then you book. Thank you, dear. You've been my support always. এটা কোথায়? 15 নম্বর শাড়ি 2700 টাকা দাম. 2700. Wonderful piece. 2700. All throughout. The sari is like this. And with a blouse piece. And with a blouse piece. One more Chanderis. Chanderis were so much you wanted to show me Chanderis. We made lot of Chanderis this time. Number 16. 2800 taka. 2800 only. 2800 for the broad border. Broad zari border Chanderi. Broad zari border. Let me spread it out. Huh? I'll just show it to them like this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the drape. You will not get any regrets. Drapes দেখুন কত সুন্দর drapeটা. With the blouse piece it is for 2800. And the Gicha one. This is a Parsi embroidery করা হয়েছে, but it's a machine Parsi. Oh, this is such an ice cream pink. Oh, lovely. 6200, 6200 on Gicha. I'll show you the sari here. Look at this sari. 6200 for this sari. 6200। শাড়ির মেটেরিয়াল ভালো দেব। গ্রিন হাউস আমি প্রথমেই বললাম, ইটস অল ফর মাই রেপুটেশন। শাড়ি আমি ভালোই দেব, যতদিন আমি থাকবো, যতদিন কাজ করব, কোয়ালিটিতে কোনো কম্প্রোমাইজ হবে না, ইচ্ছেও করে না কোনো কম্প্রোমাইজ। 18 নম্বর শাড়ি 3970। লুক এট দ্য মেটেরিয়াল, ক্যাজুয়াল ওয়্যার, ফ্যান্সি sarees. The replica of Chanderi, 3970. Oh, the color. We'll go for the color. This is the palla and this is the blouse piece. 3970, dear. One more of this kind. 3970. Vermilion color, Shindure Lal. 3970. Chanderi. Look at this saree. 3970. The blouse section. This is on Gachi Toshor. Gachi Toshore দেখাচ্ছি বাটিক। গাছি তসরে বাটিক দেখুন, কালার স্প্যাশিং দেখুন, ইউজেজ অফ কালার। 6800 টাকা দাম, বেস্ট অফ কোয়ালিটি। Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, dear, and whosoever wants, ping me, WhatsApp me. This is for 6800 with the blouse piece of the body color. This is the mauve one. 6800 গাছি তসর। এটা গাছি তসর মানে আমি মিন করছি এটা গাছি তসরই, কিন্তু একেবারে গাছি তসরে দিচ্ছি 6800-তে। মৌভ কালার গাছি তসরে। লুক এট দ্য আর্টিসানস জব, মেসপেরাইজিং। বাপরে বাপ, খুব সুন্দর কাজ করেছে। Beautiful, beautiful, admirable. কাজ খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে। আর্টিসানসদের এনকারেজ করুন, এরা এত ভালো কাজ করছে। ও গুডনেস। নাম্বার 22, 6800, again on গাছি তসর। লাভলি পিস, আবার এটা একটা ভালো পিস। লুক এট দ্য কালার বার, আঁচলটা এরকম থাকবে, and the blouse and coarseness of the saree, এত ভালো ফিল। more you wash you'll get the shine, খুব ভালো। this is for 6800. hey, I got this saree yesterday, it's a fresh from the oven, you can say. number 23, this is on Kosha Tussar, Thoka Phuler design. We have named it Thoka Phul. Greenhouse designs, not procured from anywhere. My designs are all my own. This is 23, 11,000. Look at the saree, the palla, and the saree goes like this. The fall This sari costs 11,000 with the cord piping. This is the blouse section. And my famous Parsi Jali. This is 9-line border, zari border, 9 lines. And this sari costs 11,000, not 12,000 dear. This is 11,000. 11,000. This sari costs 11,000. You know, this is the same one. 12. No dear, this is 12,000. I thought it was this different. What is same now? 12,000 please. 12,000 for this sari. 12,000. 12,000. 9-line border. 9-line zari border. Kosa tasar. Number 25. Ghash phuler design eta. This is ghash phul. Look at the design. This is for 12,600 please. That's all for today. I'm tired now. 25 sarees are over. I'll get back to you very soon. Bye. This is what it is. The saree goes like this. 12,600 dear.